brand new van 2018. We end up installing the Avatar 3100. The locker, you're gonna hit lock, locks your doors. This one came with power locks, which is a good deal. So unlock it, you're gonna hit unlock and the remote control. And it unlocks your doors. Okay. Didn't change much on it. It's 2018. Everything is pretty much the same. Except the miles are real low. Real nice. Yeah, basically you get out and give them the LED light right here in the corner. So that way you can see it from the outside of the windshield. Okay. If anybody tries to open any of the doors around the truck, around the van, it will fire off. We try to bust out a window, of course. The flashing lights also. Panic button, if you hold the star down, you can find the alarm off. This one doesn't have trunk, so he doesn't have to worry about that button. It's arm, disarm, that will lock and unlock your doors, and panic button. He wanted something clean, effective, and simple. This is it right here. And in the future, we're going to go ahead and install these deadbolt locks that we have. That they go inside the... We take off this panel and the deadbolt locks goes inside the door and it shoots a rod across the other door and it locks it into this door. That way if somebody tries to bust out the lock here, the rod is across the other door, sorry, this way, and it will keep the door jammed and they won't be able to get it open. Yeah, that will be in the future. We're going to go ahead and install that for this customer. Yeah, but this is pretty much it. This 2018 Chevy Express van. Our phone numbers are 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service and we come out to you. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.